USB Type-C Hub HDMI Adapter QGeeM 7-in-1 Type-C hub to HDMI. 3 USB ports, 3.0, 4K up to 100 watts power delivery, SDTF cards reader, compatible with MacBook Pro 17, 18, 19, and Thunderbolt 3 and MacBook Air 18, 19, Chromebook, and more. What I can say about this? I would say I would avoid this product. Okay, QGeeM packaging is nice, pretty. If you like packaging, buy it. Made in China. And inside, adapter. Type-C. Ugh. Huh? Okay, this side, it says, don't wanna focus. USB 3.0, 3.0. Don't wanna focus. Same USB 3.0, micro SD card, HDMI, not too long, probably 6.5 inches. Build quality is good, yeah. It's looks like aluminum. This side panels are plastic. Yeah, it looks nice. But there's a kind of problem. I don't know, maybe my one when I bought, maybe it's broken or something else, but it works how it's advertised, but it gets really hot. Maybe I should try to cook eggs on it. I really want to try because it gets really hot. And you don't even plug in charging. You just plug in HDMI, even you don't plug in anything. I'm not using because if I plug in a USB mouse, I'm afraid it's gonna melt even USB mouse adapter. It's be more costly. It works how it's advertised, but I would suggest not buy it. I don't know, it's my first USB Type-C adapter. I don't know. I bought for Samsung S20 and Samsung DeX. It works, but I start thinking Samsung DeX is pretty pointless. Plus, I cannot change resolution. It's pretty bad quality. And this probably it. There's nothing to say about it. Works. You can, if you don't have stove or something, you can cook even breakfast. Thank you for watching.